Okay, so we're in a town called Bangsaen. It's between Pattaya and Bangkok, so about halfway in between. And it's kind of a university town, and it's also a beach town. We got a pier out there. This is the hotel that we're staying right here. Nanachart Bangsaen. We're gonna explore all over this area. (2023) COVID is over and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're going to be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok, so stay tuned and check it all out. Here's Bangsaen. Just going to walk directly across and you can see, let's go all the way down. And you can see a temple over there. And you can also see kind of a lot of debris right here. But there's a nice boardwalk up there. So we're gonna go up that way as well and kind of go through the, I guess the debris is basically just stuff from the ocean. Nets, I guess it's from the boats. But right up here, there's a nice boardwalk. So we're gonna go to that boardwalk. And we're just gonna show you what it looks like a little bit. Give you a little taste of Bangsaen. And I think at nighttime it's gonna be very lively, and there is a university population here, but right now it's June, so they're out of school at the moment. Got all the people outside out there as well. Okay, so let's jump up here. Bangsaen. So I will give you some other tastes of this at nighttime as well, because I was here a few days ago and I really didn't expect it, but there's tons and tons of stuff everywhere here. People, and they'll drink right in these ones. So when I do the night one, I'll do this is the evening one, and then we'll do a nighttime one as well. Very interesting. So Bangsaen. And they do have a nice boardwalk. Yeah, and the other day when I was here in the evening, it's kind of cool. It's got all these palm trees as well, so they have these nice, and then they have all the businesses. And I think those are condos and apartments and hotels. So I think we got a mix of all three. Okay. This is kind of nice that we can film it. This is Saturday evening right now as well. And if I get a chance, I'd like to walk out on the water. Yeah, this is really nice. So there we go. There's one of those stairs that goes all the way down. And there's also a pier all the way down there as well. Very interesting. There's actually, this boardwalk actually goes down, I think 5 or 6 kilometers, but I think it's about 2 kilometers in this area. And then the other one is like more like beaches under palm trees. And I don't know if I'll get time to film that or not. Let's see. And I'll film a nighttime one as well. Very, very cool. And there's also some nightlife stuff over there. Buff House, Bangsaen. I saw that I think I was here on Tuesday. And I didn't have the camera. I was just walking around. And then I saw what I should have been filming. Okay. The sun is going to be setting any minute. Well, not any minute, it's still up there a little ways, but I think we will catch a sunset later. Okay, Saturday night, Saturday evening, it's about 5 o'clock, 5:30. This coastline goes all the way down. So I think what I'm going to do is I'll just go down a little bit further, and then I'm going to go down into the ocean if I can. And I heard that it's like not so pretty right now, but later it'll be I think they said between October and February it's like Maldives. Can't imagine it. Yeah, and the other day when I was here, the rocks, or the ocean came right up to the rocks, so it was splashing, and it was quite cool. Yeah, I guess the tides. Anyways, kind of a cool city beach. And I'm gonna try to do one a little bit later as well. Very interesting though. And I think that's Pattaya all the way in the distance, or Sriracha. Okay. Yeah, and there are a lot of businesses to the left as well. So I think what we're going to do is try to go into those in a moment. Before we conclude. Stuff like this, buff house. I saw this the other day too. It's so interesting because they have like you can go up to these, up the top here. They had live music and such in here. Anyways, I guess what we'll do is we'll just go a little bit further till we get to the sign, and then we're gonna end it there. Buff House Bangsaen. There's another place you could also sit up in those chairs and overlook everything. Dun dun dun. That's another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them. Yeah.